Hey y'all, first off I want to say thank you for joining me on this adventure and deciding to click on the second video because who knows what's gonna happen, right? But today I decided that we would do a little Ipsy unboxing. Now I haven't, again I've opened the container but I haven't opened anything in here. I only know one of the things that's gonna be in here because they have you pick one every month. Oh, what a cute little bag. It's got little people swimming on it. Not swimming, I guess lounging on the beach, but same difference. Ipsy, in case you didn't know, and I'm just, being crazy and dragging you in on this, it is a $12 a month subscription. You get 5 items in here. BoxyCharm, you normally get 5 items and they're full size. This one, a lot of the times they're sample size. Sometimes they're full size, but not as often. So let's dive in. So the first thing in here is from KVD Vegan Beauty. It is a translucent setting powder. So either this is a sample from the Kat Von D line and they just got it because it was a sample, or it is rebranded from the KVD Beauty. It doesn't say which one it is. It doesn't say if it's actually the Kat Von D or the KVD since they are rebranding, but setting powder is always nice to have, especially in the travel size. So the next item we have here is this cleanser. It is from Herb. It's a tea tree foam cleanser. So this will probably be nice to have once I run out. I am almost out of one of my cleansers. I use 3 at once. If you guys want a skincare video, I can show you why I use 3 at once, because I know that sounds like a lot, but there's a reason, I promise. So the next item in the bag is from the brand Mayel. It is a clearly brilliant tinted lips in the shade Nectar. Oh, that's a really beautiful, just nice little lip crayon. Looks like this. Like a chubby little pencil crayon. That's really pretty though. I'm sure I will enjoy using that. The next item is an eggplant clearing mud cream mask from Papa Recipe. And I can tell you guys, I will put this in my bathroom. I did just run out of the mud mask that I use every couple days. So this is nice, especially since it's, one of those little itty bitty sizes. I can use it and I don't have to commit to buying a full one. The last thing that I have in my little Ipsy bag, I'm excited for because I picked this out. This is a highlighter from Ofra. It is in the shade Covent Garden. It's from their collaboration with Talia Mar. So let's get a little swatchy swatch action. Oh, you guys, this is beautiful. Do you see that? I barely touched it. That's what I love about Ofra highlighters. That's why I picked this as soon as I saw it was an option. They are amazing. They give you such a beautiful sheen, but you only need a little tiny bit. Since you just need such a little itty bit, it'll last you for a really long time. And it's a beautiful shade. I love those kind of icy pink colors. These 2 colors don't necessarily look like they go together, but here they are. So that was everything that I received in my Ipsy for this month. I'm glad I didn't do a try on because really the only 2 things to try on would have been the lip crayon and the highlighter. I mean, I guess I could have used the powder, but that's not going to end up in a final look exactly. So if you enjoyed this style of video, let me know. And if you have any requests, that would also be great. I've had a couple of requests, but the only comment that was left on my last video was to do a Halloween look, and it's June. I mean, it's going to be July in a couple days, but I kind of feel like that's a little bit early to be doing a Halloween look. If you disagree, let me know. If a lot of people want it, I could come up with a Halloween look. And don't forget about the giveaway. I did add a couple extra, or 1 extra thing in here so far. We have the Tarte Mega Pro palette. Oh, there's my light. We have these Eco Essential Oils. And then we have a lip gloss from Belle & Argent. Belle & Argent is a lip brand I enjoy very much. Their stuff is really high quality. And it's a pretty shade. It's called Jealous of Us. I guess I could wear that in my next video or pull it out or something. I didn't think to swatch it for you guys. But once we hit 1,000 subscribers, we will be doing that giveaway. So like, share, comment, subscribe, all those good things. So thank you guys so much for coming on this adventure with me. I really appreciate it, and I will see you all next time. Bye.